Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. I forgot to close my door. There we go. Today is the 28th of February, 2019. Maybe. See. There we go. There we go. 28th of February, 2019, which means it's the last day of February. Tomorrow starts March, which means it is March's reading month. So definitely looking forward to that. I know we have some very fun activities planned, as well as I know every class is going to be reading A House with a Clock in its Walls. Thank you to Miss Palmetier for putting that together. We're very thankful for that. High temperature today is 28 degrees, low temperature of 12. When I got in my Jeep this morning, it was minus 2. Minus 2 degrees, so very cold. Make sure you guys are dressing for the weather. No chance of snow. Being safe, respectful, and responsible on the playground. We've had some issues, even though we're playing inside. I want to go back to this real quick. Make sure you're using Rochambeau for a solution. That even is in line when you're getting in line for lunch and that kind of stuff. It is a great, quick, easy way to solve a solution. You get there at the same time. Play Rochambeau. Winner goes first. Easy peasy. Take turns, follow rules of play, report all problems to an adult. Hands and feet to self, and a lot of times we get into that play mode and we put our hands on each other and it turns into things that we don't want it to turn into. And then the next one is use kind words and actions. If you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. It's important that you are kind to each other. People don't usually remember what you teach them, but they will always remember how you made them feel. So help yourself by being kind to other people. It's very, very important. Punchki orders are due no later than this Friday, so make sure you are grabbing some punchkis. If you don't know what a punchki is, it is a giant high-calorie donut celebrating Fat Tuesday. So you can talk with your teachers about the meaning of Fat Tuesday if you'd like. So again, that donut that I'm eating, not a punchki, but a very good Captain Crunch donut. Who doesn't like Captain Crunch berries? Maybe, probably a little bit better would be the peanut butter crunch, but either way, both good. Speaking of food, today is beef frank on a whole grain bun with some of them crunchy baby carrots, some of those pineapple chunks. Those are good too. I love pineapple, especially grilled. Let's see. Tomorrow we're looking at lasagna roll-up, some garlic toast. Some people are going to have some rank breath tomorrow. Romaine and spinach mixed salad with light ranch dressing, orange, and some crunchy baby carrots. Excuse me. Special announcements: Mr. Grack is not here today, so we will not host his groups. And then no art today. Miss Steyer is out. Door decorating contest. Starting to see some of this go up around. I'm very, very happy to see that. Remember, teachers, this is a kid project. This is not a staff project. This is a kid project. So we want to see what your kids can come up with. And we're looking at engineer-themed book. They can only be decorated by students. Teachers may help with ideas, of course. And then you're decorating the outside. And next Friday, I believe it's next Friday. Let me double check. The 7th. Oh, next Thursday is the 7th. That is when they are due, and we are going to judge them. Our reading interventionists and math interventionists are going to be the judges of that for us. So make sure you're doing the best job to do that. All right, come back over here now. All right, so Pledge of Allegiance. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.